Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now Dwayne is talking. He's playing a video with Marcia, and she's talking about Gavin. So let's see how this goes as it rolls out. Because he normally plays other tapes and reviews it. So let's hear what he has to say and what Marcia has to say in this video. Now, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment on the channel. Love you all and have a wonderful day.
On the ship, I am only steering the mix-up ship, the bag of ship. Alright? So without further ado, make we go down now, make we go. Well, I did the light drop. Alright, if you don't come off on a stay off, make the rest of them over here listen to the bagger and the cascas and make we go down tonight together. Right? So. Alright, I'll pay you there. Are you here, so? Alright. Make we go for she. Make we go for she. 3:14. Good start here, sir.
Let me tell you something, Ashanti 360. Go sit your ass down. Anytime you can come show me one lease, a key.
Well, I'm going back because the damn TV distract the thing look while.
You say, tell me, say, Ashanti 360 talk about, say, him out there for me for 3 months and he have my file. Let me tell you something, Ashanti 360. Go sit your ass down.
Yeah,
anytime you can come show me one lease, a key, walk into a living room, walk into a bathroom, walk into a kitchen, walk into a dining room, whether it is ghetto or a residential, talk to me. You understand me? Do you Ashanti 360? You, whenever you can show me a lease, whether it is a ghetto place you live or a residential in a Queens or wherever you live. When you can show me a pay stub, a business, traveling business and sheet business, and a solid girlfriend.
In cash, the girlfriend come on back.
Otherwise, you can't talk
I'm not going to say that. You know what him is doing.
You understand me?
Him is one of them. Like,
let me make it clear. Ashanti 360. Because people tell me say over there to the park and things. Me not calling Ashanti 360 because what they don't realize, Ashanti 360 is a demonic name.
Girl name.
I want you people to know that.
A girl name.
Ashanti 360 is a demonic name. It's like association
Ashanti
with
a girl name.
With a cult.
It is a girl.
Like a them type of something where you join. Girl. Like when you join
Ashanti,
a cult
like
or whatever,
Ashanti
that name
girl.
is significant to that.
A
just to
girl.
let you know that he's not a good person.
Oh, and big crutches
you understand?
girl.
He's not a good person. He don't know himself.
Mm-hmm.
And Gavin Salmon, or whatever you want.
Salmon.
Gavin Salmon.
Like on big fish. Salmon. Big
Gavin
fish.
Salmon. Your name Gavin Salmon. Your
big
real
fish.
name. When you
big
can
fish.
show me a lease with a key on it, when you can show me a bank account with a checking and a saving account, and you can show me a pay stub, then you can walk around. You can come show me a lease because me have my lease, right? When you can show me a lease, a bunch of key, walk in your living room, walk into your kitchen, walk into a 2-bedroom apartment by yourself. Because I live by myself and have a 2-bedroom, right?
I'm live by myself, Papa.
I have a big ass living room, right? So
talk to me nice,
right,
Papa.
So may have eat a blow through it.
Too.
May have the TV, may have the sheets, them, all of those sheets are sold out.
Me not live in a car.
People me supposed to ship today, but me never couldn't ship today because I had something when me have to attend. So tomorrow I'm doing shipping. Okay? So tomorrow I'm shipping out. I couldn't ship today because I had so much thing to do and time catch up on me. Right?
I believe myself.
So Gavin Salmon, aka Ashanti 360. Listen to me. It pick your when you can show me a lease, a living room, a bedroom, even when you can show me a 1-bedroom with your sleep, just show me a bedroom with a nice comfortable bed in there.
I want a nice expensive bed.
And everything.
And
you can show me some
$50.
receipts. Whether back out your food stamp, because I know you're getting food stamp.
You're damn right, you ain't got no damn job.
So you and I know that You are on
I want to come
Medicaid,
style
just like
people.
me. You're on government. You're a
Right.
public assistant, and
Right.
you're getting food stamp because you're not working. So
Right.
I know that you can't afford to buy $13 pound fish.
Right.
And then the fish they weigh
Out that
yum,
with
yum,
stay
yum. So
by
everybody
itself.
know that. I know and you know that you are getting food stamp. You understand? Somebody
Stay
call
bad,
me while I
gal.
go and talk about your file for me and you're going to pay me for
Gally.
3 months. Me know what you. Any file you want, have take it out. Cause if me don't have no file for myself, how you are going to file for me? The only file me have out there is my medical documentations and stuff. So if you have my medical documentations in filing or whatever, or you have me tax return a year time that filing, welcome dash it out on social media. If you have DNA test and me have jacket, come dash it out. If it was me like you, me sit your ass down, you know. You tell you the truth, you know.
Yeah, that's that.
If it was me like you, me sit my ass down, you tell you the truth.
Right.
Because you look like an idiot.
Big fool, big tete.
Somebody will tell me say a while ago say him sell sheet. And that you figure do. Go and sell the sheet them.
I've
Go
been
buy
delete
some
that
sheet and
comment.
sell.
Mind the
The
face
same
black
way how you can't sit down and chat to live at Brooklyn and Queens and Jamaica Avenue. Go and pick up some raw sheet and sell them. Gavin Salmon, aka Ashanti 360.
You right,
Go
them
and
so
sell
think
some
around big
sheets
fish,
and curtain.
salmon.
You live at Queens, New York.
And man, him,
You understand me? Go and sell. That's what I want you bloggers to do.
Yeah.
Sell
Yes,
on a
now
sheet,
be-
sell on
now
a
be the
curtain.
self.
Take a footstep out of Marcia Campbell. Uno have no audience. Go and sell on something.
I go
There's
sell
different type of sheet out there. Go
sell a
and
bonnet
sell
batty.
your sheet and your curtain.
With a plastic tomok.
You understand? As I said before,
can
when you
in
can't
any
show me a
food.
pay stub,
Right.
when you can't show me a pay stub, Gavin Salmon, I will be back there.
No, but I show
When
the
you
pay
can't
stub,
show me a
cause
pay
shame.
stub, that you get a pay stub in your email every Thursday at 6 o'clock. I get a phone call from Suntrack.
Right, this a girl.
From
Right, this
Suntrack
a
Company. Your pay stub is ready
Renee.
to be viewed. Every Friday morning, it is deposit in my account. When you have with
Share the video.
11.99 union,
Like and
when
share.
you have a pay stub coming in, a sheet and other businesses in your name, talk to me. Whether it is ghetto or anything, talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me.
Right, this a good.
Otherwise, go keep your mouth shut.
And go.
And you may come for next with a serving a paper. Keep it up. And what is so burn me, I cannot make no money off of Uno. And that's why I'm not serve you already, you know. Because call up Marcia Campbell, you know.
That's
You don't have no money.
That's my run on social media money, so I'm hungry. Every day I'm
What make you
paying
never
cash up for
work? Go start work so me can sue you.
Big batty.
Go and go sell sheets so me can sue you. And you make sure
No,
so
I
when
go sell
you
face
sell
up
sheet,
black me.
make sure say you have a IRS number. Like me. And registered business at the courthouse. Go and go sell the sheets so and make sure it's a registered business. Me can't bother waste my time on people, you know.
You know, say you stay bad. In tan bad, not in
What is
dull
the good
with
news?
the
These are
fag
the
guy.
good news, no comment,
You're
no comment, no
ugly.
good
Boy, you're ugly.
You big up
You
to the
stay
people.
bad.
Big
I
up
don't
to
know
the
who man
people.
that man line with it. I don't know. I
tell them,
don't
tell
know.
them, say,
with a tan bad
me have
self.
one good
Me no
news.
say you want me no. Me no say you want
And
me.
3 supporters.
You
One
want me. That's in a
supporter
competition.
$10.
In a competition.
Tell them say
Boy,
me
I
want-
got
me
hairdressers.
me want them to celebrate with me.
With the extensions.
And me want to buy a bottle of Moët.
Right. This is real.
Nevertheless, I can afford to buy
Real.
any Moët I want.
I beg God
But
forget
I
cut
want
hair,
the
some real
celebration
hair.
to be. And I
don't
want
wear
to say
extensions
big
like
up
some
to
big gal.
me know my sister from Florida.
Alright.
Yes, me a big one up from Florida. She sent $20. Then me have
Righty.
another supporter from Facebook
Why
sent
you
$10. And I think
Why
another
you
one
too?
sent $15. So that's the only money me collected. And my champagne cost $75.
Right, that's a Sharon, right?